technologies for catheter-based medical devices. So at the moment, in order to reduce friction in a catheter, you use either Teflon liners, which you know from your frying pan at home, or hydrophilic coatings, and these cost a lot of money and a lot of processing to put into a catheter. So we're developing a material where you extrude your product and it has low friction built in it already, so you just extrude and go. We're based in Galway in the Technology Transfer Office of NUIG, and we're a competitive start fund recipient. We've used that money to develop our product and to establish relationships with a number of multinational companies and startup companies who have their own medical devices. We're planning to apply for high potential startup funding in the next few weeks, and we will develop our product further and increase our team